I'm Suzanne. It's nice to be with you all today. I have decided to do this video. I'm a makeup artist and have been in the beauty industry almost 15 years now. I am going to be 48 this year and have found a lot of my clients come in and ask me and say to me, Suzanne, my skin is aging. What do I do for my skin? Where do I start with my foundation? I haven't used makeup for many, many years. What color do I use? What color eyeshadows do I use? Do I go for mattes? Do I go for shimmers? What is the colors that I need to go for my skin and when I age? There are so many products to go over and new products that are coming in monthly that we will have some tutorials and also some reviews. I'm also excited to go over products for hair and nails. I used to do nails for many years. And there has been some really good nail products that have come out that I've recently tried and have been very impressed with. So those are a couple of things that are coming down the line. Also today I want to go over a couple of the products that I have used. I did buy the new Kat Von D eyeshadow palette, which I really, really like. It's matte shade. There are so many products to go over and new products that are coming in monthly that we will have some tutorials and also some reviews. I'm also excited to go over products for hair and nails. I used to do nails for many years and there has been some really good nail products that have come out that I've recently tried and have been very impressed with. So those are a couple of things that are coming down the line. Also today I want to go over a couple of the products that I have used. I did buy the new Kat Von D eyeshadow palette, which I really, really like. It's matte shade. This is the Kat Von D eyeshadow that I did buy. It is got the natural shades in here. They're more neutral shades. And as you can see, it's those browns and just really lovely, pretty neutral shades. It was at TJ Maxx $26. I think normally they are in the price range of about $50, which I thought was a good deal. They are pigmented, but what I would always tell you with any shadow, you need a shadow primer. That is not a negotiable, that is a definite. It holds your eyeshadow, it makes the pigment more brighter. If you're going to all that trouble, I would definitely suggest that for your eyes. My other product that I also like to use is our new number 7 Lash Extender in black. It has a medium-sized brush. It has a good amount of coating to it, but without being very, very thick. It fills the lashes in an even amount, but separates them too. It's very hard right now to find a mascara that does lash thickening plus lengthening, and I feel that this is one that does both. I will have a list of the products that I've used, but probably the number one question I get asked daily is what brow product I use. I go between many different brow products, but probably my most favorite one that I have tried right now is this Wet n Wild. It is called Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow, and it's in ash brown. I mostly use this shade here. I don't use the darker shade. It has a gel, and then when you open it up, obviously it has your brown and your little brush. The brush to me is the most amazing part of it all. It has got like a stiff bristle, which you can then do the arch up and down and fill in. It stays really, really well. Like I say, it's probably one of my favorite, as you can tell the color that I've used there. You first put the gel on, then you do the shade that you want, and I use it obviously with the little brush that it comes with too. Sometimes what I will also do is I will put primer or cream through my brows that will also hold it really well. Thank you for watching my channel today. I know time is very important to everyone, and just spending a few minutes with me meant a lot to me today. So if you can either join my page, if you have any questions or anything, you can add them to the bottom and I will answer them. Also, you can go on my Instagram page, Beauty at ATCaps50 and the word plus. Everyone, at the end of my videos, I'm going to leave you a tip, something to think about in the next few days. Don't forget your brow. Your brow is very important for the framing of your face and your eyes. Make sure that you're either using your gel or your powder. And if you have any more questions, let me know. If you want me to do a tutorial, I'm thinking the next one will probably be the brow tutorial or probably nails. I thank you again for watching me, and we'll see you next time.